Alright, so not fixed yet, but we will see with the electric fans. But anyway, so I was having a problem with my compressor not turning on and my fan's not turning on. So we thought it was the PCM. Got a new PCM. Well, I think it's Flashmasters. Anyway, we put in a new PCM. We also put in a brand new fuse box secondary because we thought that we might be having some electrical issues coming from the relays. So long story short, it was these wires back here. It had come off of this loom, so zip tied it, but this whole wiring harness is rubbing right on the bottom of the motor, and I ended up having to splice into these. After I spliced into those, pretty much everything worked. But yeah, man, replaced the PCM, replaced that, replaced the engine coolant temperature sensor, replaced the high pressure sensor switch, and come to find out, I think it's the yellow wire. I think it goes into this higher pressure switch, and it definitely affects the circuit and the fans. And anyway, I had somebody else come over here and wire up the fans until I seen that it was grounding out on the motor. But yeah, so when the mechanic comes back over, we'll see if it works. And also I have this switch for the compressor to turn it manually on and off. And ever since I fixed that problem, the AC doesn't blow extremely cold. It does blow colder, but I'm assuming with the fans not working, that maybe the circuit isn't completed yet. And this check engine light is obviously for the fans. They just need to be wired back up. But yeah, this is with the compressor on. Pretty sure I just need to get the fans spinning again and then refill it with Freon, and then everything should be working again. Just want to let y'all see the code real quick. Probably come back on. And that's the AC compressor cycle. As soon as I get the update for the fix, I'll post everything. But yeah, been chasing this for quite a while. Alright y'all, she's fixed. We took this compressor switch out completely. I mean, it's still there in the dash, but it's not hooked up underneath the hood. I'll show you. And yeah, we had to take everything back up. But yeah, thought I'd let you know.